Members of the social justice class here on campus, Fabiola TheBurge and Addie Flanagan, along with their classmate Allison Williams, participated to address a cause they are most passionate about.
This fundraiser came about when we started a project in our social justice class with Mr. Monty. We were inspired to start this fundraiser by just looking at all of the work that we've done so far.
Flanagan and TheBurge share what they've been learning in social justice this year and how that led them to donating to this organization.
We've been focusing a lot on feminism and women's rights.
So in our class of social justice, we had just gone through a unit where we were learning about the struggles that women go through, and we were a group of 4 girls, so we thought that it would be relevant for us to all work on something that was related to women's rights.
TheBurge explains how the Big Sister League provides support for the homeless population in San Diego.
The proceeds are going to this organization called Big Sister League. They're a California-based nonprofit, and they provide women who are low income or victims of domestic or sexual abuse with supportive housing. So they give them a place to live, they give them meals, food, educational opportunities, all these ways to get back on their feet, and they let them stay there for a while.
So by coming to the bake sale, you were supporting an organization called the Big Sister League, which is a women's shelter in downtown San Diego that helps women who have been domestically abused.
Well, we worked really hard on advertisement for the bake sale, so we created posters. We have a website that's linked to our poster, and we worked on getting one of the members of the organization we're donating to attend the event. It was also important to find volunteers to bake.
If you would like to learn more, you can visit BigSisterLeagueSD.org. This is Sydney Parker and Ariana Fanef reporting for Falcon Vision.